we are in. This is the plastic, and now we're gonna change some modules right there. This is the HDD. Okay, we're gonna replace with SSD another time. CD player, the fan that I just took out and I was cleaning it. 2 modules of RAM. We are gonna upgrade it. This is 4 GB Samsung, and this is 2 GB data. And this is here and here, and this and that. Okay, exactly. By the way, you cannot put an HDD on the CD player. You need an adapter for that. It has only these 2 connectors, so you don't have power for the HDD. SISENERGY is helping you. We are in. I think the keyboard has to come first off. This is the inside. So HDD, we got the fan here. I can clean it a little bit. From the back side, you can see the RAM. It's working! It's working! In 45 minutes, both of them. And I didn't watch any video, so I just did it the way I think I should do it. He is continuing because he's got a project, but I'm not gonna tell you what it is. Subscribe, blah blah blah. Okay, bye bye.